Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Tudor Pelagos FXD Chrono Cycling Edition. The key term here is FXD, as in fixed bars, integral to the watch case. It only works with the supplied single-pass fabric strap or double-pass NATO-style straps. Unlike the classic Pelagos FXD associated with the U.S. Navy combat divers, this one is all about sport cycling. On a fast bike, there's no use for a bracelet, but you will appreciate the light-as-a-feather ceramic case. When you count every second, it's nice to have a tachometer scale calibrated specifically to the speed of a riding cyclist. And the white Tudor signature hands all but guarantee at-a-glance legibility, together with a sizable 43mm wide case. The water resistance of 100 meters is enough to deal with any sweat or even rain. The beating heart of this chronograph is a Tudor in-house automatic caliber MT5813. It is based on Breitling's movement, but enhanced with a silicon-balanced spring and tungsten open-work monoblock rotor. It sports 70 hours of power reserve and COS certification. But did you know that you don't even have to summit the Stelvio Pass on your bike to wear the Pelagos FXD Chrono Cycling Edition? We know with certainty Tudor will not check your cycling credentials as long as you are willing to pay €5,450 for the watch. What a ride! Thank you for making to the finish line with us. See you in the next one.